Okey, hai, Assalamualaikum semua. Selamat malam. Okey, bersama saya hari ini, Cikgu Wan, ditemani cikgu yang jauh diterbangkan daripada Johor, Cikgu Ainan. Okey, Cikgu Ainan serba sedikit pengenalan berkenaan Cikgu Ainan. Okey, beliau mengajar di Kolej Matrikulasi Johor. Okay, graduated from University of Canterbury, New Zealand, a bachelor in science, majoring in mathematics. Currently teaching mathematics for SES, PDT. Okay, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Good evening to all of you. Thank you for watching this stream. Okay, I hope it will benefit you. Okay, to prepare you for the upcoming tests and exams. Yeah. So let's go for the first example. Okay, so what we have here, the 15th term of an arithmetic sequence is 59, and the sum of the first 50 terms is 4 times the sum of the first 20 terms. Find the first term A and the common difference D of the sequence. Okay, now maybe it seems overwhelming because you read all of these English sentences, so we are going to break them up one by one. So the first part is this information. The 15th term of an arithmetic sequence is 59. Okay, 15 term means T15. Okay, and is equal sign, and 59 is the number itself. Okay, and then next the sum. This one important. The sum of the first 50 terms. The sum of the first 50 terms. This one is equal sign 4 times. 4 times what? So 4 times must be accompanied by something else. Okay, which is the sum of the first 20 terms. So sum the first 20 terms. So we already changed the complicated English sentences into a simpler maths sentence. Yeah. So from here we have to find the first term A and the common difference. Okay. So just change this with using the formula. Okay. So T15 is A plus 15 minus 1. Okay, multiply by the common difference is 59. Okay, and then we simplify it, we get 14 lah. Yeah, 59. Okay, now for the sum, the formula for sum is 50 over 2. Okay, double the A. Okay, the first term. Okay, and plus 50 minus 1 multiply by the common difference. Okay, let me rewrite my letter D. It's horrible. Okay, that's good. Okay, we can close it, and then the next one is 4. This one just copy lah over here. 4 multiply what? Multiply the sum of 20. Okay, so 20 over 2A plus and minus 1 multiply by common difference. Okay, so we can simplify this one first. Okay, so 50 by 2 is 25. Okay, and then 20 by 2 is 10. 10, yes, 10. And then 4 is 40 lah. Okay, so 25 2A plus 49D over here equals 20, 10, betul-betul 40. This one also 2A plus oh, this one I made a mistake. This is not N. This is supposed to be 20. My bad. Okay, so 20 minus 1, 19 lah. Okay, 19D. Okay, so we use calculator to expand the numbers. Okay, so 25 2 is 50A. Alamak, this one too big lah. I use my calculator. 25 49. So it's 1225D. Okay, and then this one is 80A. Okay, and then 40 multiplied by 19 plus 760D. Okay, so we group the A's together. Okay, so this is 80, this is 80A, over here is 50A, so 50A minus 80A equals, we can also group the D's together over here, so 760D minus 1225D. Okay, and then this one minus 30 lah. Okay, and then this one too big, I use my calculator. 760 minus 1225. Okay, no, 465D. Okay, so and then we divide minus 465D by minus 30. Okay, minus 465D by minus 30. So we get 21/2. That's fine. We can we haven't substitute yet with that one, or maybe not yet. We just substitute this one. Okay, so from the yellow part, okay, we get 59 minus 14D. Okay, and then we substitute this whole lot of A and put it over here. Okay, so 59 minus 14D equals this one minus 465D over minus 30. Alah, this one positive lah. Make it positive. Easy. Oh, so this 30 I bring over there. 59 minus 14D. 59. Oh yes, 59. I'm confused A with 59. This one D, Okay, tak apa. 465D. Okay, that's good. 30 multiplied by 59. 1770 minus 30 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. Okay, multiply 30 14 420 420D, 465D. Okay, so okay, let's continue over here. Okay, we group the D together. Okay, so 465D plus 420D. Okay, then this one 1770 lah. This one 885D, 1770. Therefore D is 2. Okay, now how to get the value of A? Okay, simple. We already express A with respect of D over here kan. Okay, so which is A equals 59 minus 14 what? 14D. Where to get D? Over here. Bring over there. Okay, so 59 minus berapa ni? 28. Okay, so 59 minus 28 is 31. Okay, 31. Okay, so hopefully that's the answer. Oh yes, that is. Find the first term A and the common difference. Okay, so the first term is 31. Okay, and then the common difference is 2. Okay, so let's move on to the second one.
Okay, and then student.
Yes. Is it too fast?
Okay, student, feel free to write down at the comment below the values of A, the values of D, whatever Sir Ainan is calculating. Maybe you can help to calculate as well. Okay, please write at the comment below, yeah. Okay, Ainan, please continue.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so maybe I can ask the participant to calculate with me as well. I try my best to slow down a little bit. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm going too fast. Yeah. maybe I made mistake somewhere, and then you may let me know, ya. Okay, so the sum of the first 10 term, ni pun sama. They are just the same thing. Okay, so Adin Imran, masuk pun kau ya. Okay, the sum of the first 10 terms. The sum of the first 10 terms is 455. So this one, it means sum of the first 10 terms. Okay, is equal sign lah. And then 455. And then, and the seventh term, seventh term, common lah over here. Seventh term is means equal sign. Twice of what? Twice of the what? Mesti ada something else. Third term. The third term. Like this. Okay? So it should be easy lah. If you read it one by one, okay, you should be able to crack the English sentences and change it into math equation. Yeah? Okay, so over here is the sum of the first 10 terms. The formula is n divide by 2 multiply by double the a first term, okay, and then n minus 1 multiply by the common difference. Okay, we get 455. Okay, and then we simplify lah. This one 5 2a plus 9d. Okay, 455. So we get 10a plus berapa ni? 45. Okay, 45d. 455. Okay, now. So we already break the yellow one. Okay, now we change the red one pula. Okay, seventh term is a plus 7 minus 1 d equals 2 multiply by a. This one might be better we put a bracket, yeah. Okay, a plus bracket the third term 3 minus 1 d. Okay, so correct. Okay, so a plus 6d equals 2a plus 2d. Okay, and then we expand these two inside. Okay, so a plus 6d equals 2 multiplied by a is 2a, 2 multiplied by 2d is 4d. Okay, so this okay, we group the a's and the d's together. Yeah, so a, okay, so over here is a minus 2a, while 4d and 6d is 4d minus 6d. Betul. Minus a equals this one minus 2d. Correct. And then what else? This one can simplify further. A equals 2d lah. This one simpler already. We can use this and substitute it over here. We can substitute it over here. Okay. So 10 what? 10a. A is 2d. A is 2d over here, 2d over here. Okay, and then we continue. 45d equals 455. Multiply lah, what else? Okay, 20d plus 45d, okay, equals 455. Okay, so this one is 65, I guess. Okay, yes, so 455. And then d is 455 divided by 65. Okay, so we get 7. Okay, we get 7. We get the common difference already. Okay, now how to get the first term? First term is a. A is what? A is 2d. How to get d? D is from over here. So just substitute. Therefore, we get 14. Okay, so for this one, the first term is 14. The common difference is 7. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay, now the question don't really ask about the first term and the common difference. Okay. The question is asking the sum of the next 7 term. Okay. This part. Okay, maybe I write the sentence again down here. the sum of the next berapa 7 let's see 7 7 next 7 terms after the 10th term. This one I write like this lah, easier for you to see. Okay, now what does it mean by the sum? The sum is S lah. The sum of what? The sum of the next 7 terms after the 10th term. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, maybe we list all the terms first. So we have T1, okay, and then we have T2, T3, T4, and so on until we get T10. And then after that, T11, okay, and then something else until T17. Okay, T17. Okay, why T17? Because the question wants the sum of the next 7 term. The question doesn't want us to calculate the sum of the first 17 term. It is not. The question wants this part only. This is what it means by this sentence. Because after the 10th term, this is what we want. T10, T before, we don't want at all. So how we going to do this? Simple. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, so wait, I padam this one first. Okay, this one I padam also. Okay, now we know what we want. We know what we don't want. So the clue is we take everything, we minus with the one we don't want. What is everything? Everything is maybe everything I use red color. Everything is what? Everything is S17. S17. Okay, S17. What is the thing we don't want? We don't want T10, we don't want T9, we don't want T8, and so on until T1. So this whole lot is S10. So we are going to minus them. As simple as that. Okay. So S17 is 17 over 2. Okay, 2A. A is what? We take 17. Okay, very good, Daniel. Okay, so 17. What the A is? 14. Okay, so 14. Okay, plus and then 16D. Okay, 16D. Okay, so this one settle. D pula. Sorry. What is our D? 7. Okay, thank you. 7. Okay, close again lah. Okay, now this one is for S17. Now we are going to write the formula for S10. So S10 is 10 by 2 divided by 2. Double the first term. Okay, plus. Okay, plus 9D. How did I get 9D? Because 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. And then D is common difference. This one. Pen ni pula buat hal. Okay, this one. So this one is that one, this one is that one lah. Yeah. Okay, so I use lah the calculator. Okay, so let me. This one got tambah. Sorry. Okay, so berapa tu? 28 plus 16 minus 7. Okay, minus 17 divided by 2. It's 22848. Okay, minus 28 plus 63, isn't it? Multiply by 5. So it's 455. Okay, it's 455. It's 455. Did I make a mistake? The number is too big. I recalculate 14 darab 2. Okay, plus 16, 7. Okay, multiply 17 kan? Correct lah. Correct. 17. Okay, silap. Sorry. My bad. I don't know why the number went too big. 1190 only. Okay, 1190 minus 455. Okay, so what we get? 735. Okay, 7, 3, 5. So, okay, 1109. Okay, that's good. 11. Thank you. I have no idea why the number went so big. Adalah tu tersalah tekan dekat kalkulator. Biasalah tu. Tu resumen Okay. Okay, good Sophia. Very good Sophia. Thank you. Shamira also. Thank you. Okay, so maybe we can go to the next one. Yeah? Okay. Okay, example 3. The third one. Given the sum of the first 4 terms and the last term of an arithmetic progression are 56 and 31 respectively. Express the common difference D in terms of N. This one is a little bit different lah from the first two. Okay, the first two, they give, we have the sentences. Okay, we have like T10 equals 50, and then S20 equals whatever, and then we do simultaneous equation and then we solve for them. But for this one, we cannot, because what? Because why? We see later. Now, so as usual, we take out lah what we can take. The sum of the first 4 terms. This is the sum of the first 4 terms. Okay, and then N. N it means something else lah. The last term of N. The last term. Tak payahlah tu. Sampai sini je. Okay. The last term. The last term is also L or TN. Okay. We don't know lah. Okay. What is the thing? Okay. So, what are the number? The sum of the first 4 term is 56. This one 56. Okay. And then, the last term is 31. 31. Okay. So, done already. We apply the formula. We apply the formula. S4 is 4 divided by 2, double the first term, plus N minus 1. Don't forget to put bracket, multiply by the common difference. And then 56. This one, we can move it over there. Wait, Alah, time ni lah, mouse tak boleh bergerak. Mouse. Oh well. It's a case, I just padam everything. I put it over here. What is it is the last term, L or T, and I put it over here lah, further away. Otherwise, cramp some more, cannot see clearly. Okay, so L or last term or Tn is, okay, A plus N minus 1. Don't forget to put bracket, multiply by common difference. Equals 31. Okay, and then what to do? The yellow one we can simplify further ni. This one we merely ganti the value of the formula. So 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, and then 2A plus this one multiply lah, Dn minus D. Okay, 56. Now what else? We multiply, or maybe the 2 is we divide by 50. 50C divide by 2 lah. So 2A plus Dn minus D equals 56 is 28. 28. 56, 28. 28, correct. Okay, now let's go for this one. This one can further simplify. A equals. Okay, tak nak. Kita simplify dulu. Otherwise cannot see. Okay, Dn minus D equals 31. Okay, now the question are asking us to express the common difference D in terms of N. D in terms of N. It means that the variable that we have to extinguish, we have to make it gone. Okay, the one that we have to destroy is A. We don't want A, so we substitute A. In order to do that, we have to express A in terms of something. Okay, so for the red one is A equals 31 minus Dn plus D. Okay, while the green pula, apa ni, yellow. Wait, I scroll a little bit. Okay, tak nampak yang merah tu sir? Tak nampak. If that's the case, I use pink lah. Okay, wait I change. Okay, no problem lah. Benda boleh bincang. This one. Okay. So, tukar apa dah. Okay. So, n minus 1 d equals 31.
Okay, kuning dengan purple better.
Dah, kuning purple better. Okay.
Okay.
Tak apa.
Continue.
Okay. dn minus d equal 31. Okay. Tun. Siapa Tun tu? Nampak tak? Saya dah tukar ni. Okay. Thank you. Awak tak bagi feedback, nanti kami tak tahu. Takut kami shock sendiri pula. Ayah ni shock sendiri ni. Okay. Okay. Settle. Okay, now. Just now I said we have to express A in terms of something, right? So ni dah dapat A ni, this one. Okay, so what we do? We substitute this A inside here. Kenapa substitute A? Because we don't want A anymore. Okay? The screen blur, sir. Very the blurry. Alamak, dah 3 orang cakap blur ni. Okay. Let's see.
Dah okay.
Dah okay dah? Okay dah.
So mungkin
Maybe
komen yang tadi kot.
bela-bela awal-awal tak apa.
Okay.
Risau juga gang dah 4 soalan cakap bela sudah. Okay. So 2A. A is what? A gantilah everything. The pink. Mana pink tadi? Aku dah tukar pink. Merah ni. Tukar. Okay. So A is 31 minus DN plus D. Okay. And then apa tadi? Okay. Plus DN minus D. Okay. Equals 28. Okay. And then apa lagi? Multiply lah. Dah okay. Okay, thank you. You can adjust the quality video. Clear, sir, no worries. Thank you, Haikal. Cerah mata kau ya. Okay, 62. Okay, and then 2 multiply by minus dn is minus 2dn. Okay, 2 multiply by d is plus 2d. This one just copy paste lah. Lazy also I don't know what to say. Okay, 28. Okay, kita scroll bawah sikit. Sudah banyak nombor, pening. Okay, so 62. 62 can bring there. We can group the numbers together. So 28 minus 62. Okay, and then this one minus 2dn plus dn. So minus 2dn, we group them, put them aside, so we can see what to do next. Okay, and then this one plus 2d minus d. This one. Okay, now the next step is minus 2dn. This is the same thing. It's like chicken. Minus 2 chicken plus chicken is minus chicken. The chicken is dn. Okay, this one also the same thing. This one is maybe box. 2 box minus 1 box. So what's left? 1 box lah. Like that. So 28, 62. Sudah aku pula ni. 62. 34. 34. Yes. Okay, now maybe I get carried away. I forget what's the question about. Now, the question wants D in terms of n. It means that we have to express D equals something inside here n. Okay. So over here we have 2 D's over here. We have to factorize lah. Okay. We can factorize. So we factorize. We put D outside. What's left from here? Minus n. Okay. We took positive. We took D from positive D is positive 1. Okay. And then minus 34 over there. Now we can move this bracket over to the right hand side. D equals minus 34 equals minus n plus 1. Okay. Now, I'm sure you all very like to potong. Okay. What is the example of the potong? Let's see. You potong like this and then the answer will be 34 over n plus 1. If you do like this, memang cerah masa depan. Okay? This is wrong. This is wrong. Jangan tengok minus dekat depan sahaja, you can potong right away. Okay? It is very the wrong. So please pay attention. Okay, so how to do? Tak apa. Relax, tenang. Kita tengok satu-satu. You don't want the negative over there? No problem. Okay? We can factorize. Okay? We can factorize. Tapi tak payah kot. Biar je lah. Tak payahlah. Pening kepala. Biar je. Okay, we put this negative, the negative over here, okay, and then 34. And then this minus 1 plus 1, okay, you just turn it sideways. So 1 minus n. 1 minus n. Okay, so this is the first question lah. Settle already. Okay, okay, let's see. Correct already. Alamak, kenapa lain? Did I make a mistake?
Okay, so student, how many in total question that we have discussed? Okay, we really hope that you learn a lot. Okay, so Aina will continue. And bear in mind the difference between the next 7 term and like the question number 2 just now, the sum of the next 7 term and the sum of 7 term. What's the difference? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I just made a mistake. Okay, the mistake is somewhere over here. Okay, that's why I said I'm so sorry, get carried away. Now, this is the sum of the first 4 terms. Okay, so the n is 4. As we can see over here, I didn't substitute the number correctly. So I change it. Okay, so 4 over here. Okay, so for this one, it's not this one lah. Okay, so it's supposed to be 3D. Okay, tak apa, we can still adjust. So 6D lah, 6D. Okay, so 6D, that one, this one copy only. 6D.
Okay, I think Saina, we don't. Okay, Saina, maybe we don't need to worry about the calculation because it's just a simultaneous equation. I'm sure that the students can calculate themselves, right?
Oh, okay.
As long
So
as
I leave it with you lah. I
you
leave it with you
understand
guys.
what's the explanation behind for every question.
Okay. Okay, tak apa. So alang-alang aku habiskan
Or maybe I will mention the final answer.
Final answer. Okay.
The students
So
yes, just give them
the final answer it's
Okay.
D 20 pula. 34 over 2n minus 5. So this is the answer.
Okay.
Otherwise cannot continue with the second one. Okay, so this is the answer. I'm so sorry for my mistake up top. Okay, now let's continue with the second part. If the first term is 11, find the number of terms. Okay, if the first term is 11. Okay, what does it mean by first term is 11? It means that B, it means that A is 11. Okay, so when A is 11, okay, how to get the value, the rest of the value? Okay, so we can take from this one, from this line. Okay, we can substitute the value. 2A 6D 28. Okay, 2A plus berapa tu dia lah? 6D. Okay, 6D is 6D 28. Okay, 28. Okay, so A over here. Okay, so we substitute. So 22 plus 6D equals 28. So 6D is 28, 22, 6. 6. Aku tak lagi tolak pada aku. 22. Oh, betul ni 6. Oh, salah lagi. Apa salah je ni? Tak boleh jadi ni. Oh, 3D. Salah lagi. 3, sorry. Ini 3 patutnya. Sorry. Okay, so D is 2. D is 2. Okay, so from here, we know D is 2. So we substitute D over here. 2 equals 34 over 2n minus 5. Okay, and then it's 4. No, yes, 4n minus 10 equals 34. So 4n equals 34 plus 10, n equals 44 over 4, therefore it's 11. Okay, okay, n is 11. Okay, so let's move on to the fourth one. Okay, the fourth one. Okay. Now, how many terms in arithmetic series of minus 26, 21, minus 16 plus ... are needed to achieve a sum of 850? So for this one, maybe we can rewrite, because you see over here it's a minus, because you learned before series is the sequence that has is a sum of a sequence. But you can see over here, this is not a sum, this is a subtraction. So we can rewrite it again. So how to rewrite? Put a bracket, minus 26 plus bracket minus 21 plus minus 16. Okay, and then plus dot. From here we can see this is really a sequence. Whether it's arithmetic or it's arithmetic lah. The question said already. Okay. So this one looks better. Okay, so how many terms in this series are needed to achieve a sum of 850? A sum of 850. Sum of, we don't know how many the terms. Okay, what we know is it sum to 850. So from here we know this one is the A. A equals minus 26. Okay, and then D is just subtract the first two terms because we already know it's arithmetic already. Okay, so minus plus lah 26. Okay, so we get 5. Okay, so we can use this information to help us over here. Okay, Sn is n divided by 2. Okay, we double the first term. First term berapa tadi? Minus 26. Okay, and then plus n minus 1. Close them and then multiply by the common difference of 5. Close. 850. Okay. Now, so this one we can simplify them. This one maybe I bring over there. So become 1700. So we have n multiply this one minus 52 plus 5n minus 5. Okay, so multiply lah the n. Okay, minus 52n plus 5n squared minus 5n equals this one, tak nak tolak juga, minus 1700 equals 0. So we rearrange them. This one very favorite lah. It's very favorite of yours, solving quadratic equation by using EQN. Okay, so you can use the EQN. Okay, and then if you use them, you may get the factorization of n minus 25 5n, sorry, 5n plus 20 is 28, 68 equals 0. Saya je ke yang nampak question tu blur? Saya pun tak clear. Ayuni and Hairul, maybe you need to go down there like the gear symbol and then you change the quality of the video. Okay, because YouTube, especially YouTube in cell phones, they tend to adjust the quality of the video according to the speed of your internet. Okay. Okay, so from here n equals 25, n equals minus 68 over 5. Okay, so from here this one we can reject right away, not because it is negative, because because it's negative and as well as it is not an integer, not positive integer. So this one is a positive integer, so we can accept them. Okay, so therefore 25 terms are needed. Therefore 25 terms are needed to get 850. Okay. Number 4 done. Okay, tak clear. Alamak, ramai yang tak clear ni.
Okay, so mungkin Cikgu Ainan punya internet, tapi the voice is clear. So
Okay.
maybe
what I can try is
and now it's getting clearer. Dia sometimes lah. Now it's better.
Tadi I try my best to zoom lah ni.
Sekarang dah okay kan?
Dah okay dah. I zoom it a little bit closer lah, nampak besar sikit. Okay, hopefully ni lah.
Okay.
Tadi I zoom out sebab nak muatkan banyak jalan kerja. Okay. Already in 720p sir, but it is still blurry. So if that is the case, it's my internet lah. I'm so sorry. Because tadi maghrib dah hujan dah. Tadi dia mendung. Saya pun risau tadi nak buat kelas ni, tapi hujan pula. Okay, tak apa. Kita teruskan ya. Okay, example 5. Okay. Find the sum of all positive integers that is less than 300, which are multiples of 3. Okay, which are multiples of 3. Okay. Dah clear balik. Alhamdulillah. Biasalah tu. Dia apa? Pahit manis kehidupan ya. Find the sum of all positive integers. Okay. Now we are going to list them. We are going to list them. Okay. We are going to list them. All positive integers that is less than 300. What does it mean by positive? Positive means greater than 0. This one less than 300. Dah terang-terang lah. Less than 300. Okay. So we are going to list them. Okay. So A. Okay. So we start from 0 to 300. We are not going to list all of them lah. Okay. So we are going to list some of them. Okay. So what is the first number greater than 0? It is which is multiple of 3. Okay. So it is 3 lah, obviously. It is not 1, it is not 2, it is 3. Okay. So, and then what is the next number? 4 is not, 5 is not, 6 it is. 6 it is. Tapi tak payahlah senaraikan semua. Ada dot tu, dot until 300. Okay, now, can we take 300? Now I want to ask the audience. Maybe I wait for the comment. Can we take 300? Can we or cannot? Anyone? Maybe can respond in the comment. Can or cannot? Because 300 divisible by 3. Sebeliri again. Sudah. Ni aku kuasa internet kamu ni. Okay. Tak apa. Boleh top up lagi insyaAllah. Okay. Okay. Now, for those yang clear, my question is, boleh tak take 300? Mirul said cannot, Luqman said cannot, Hana said ramai not ni marah betul. Okay, bagus. Sebab apa cannot? Dah terang-terang cakap kat sini. That is why it is important when you see the sentences, you see the question, you take out, you scribble. Okay? Jumpa je kertas soalan tu, kamu scribble lah everywhere. For this scribble will help you answer the question and understand the question. As Sir Hanafi said earlier in the video, concept is important. Okay, so 300 cannot. 299 boleh tak divide by 3? Pun tak boleh. 299 tak boleh. 298 pun tak boleh, dapat pecahan. 297 boleh. 297 boleh. So 297 boleh. It is divisible by 3. Okay, so what we have here is these 3 numbers. Okay, which is 3, 6, okay, 297. Okay. Okay, very good. Bagus. Okay, so from here, what is the important information? Okay, clearly 3 is A. Clearly A is 3, and then D is 3 also. 6 minus 3, 3 lah. Alamak, merah ni tadi kata tak nampak. Sorry. Saya pakai warna pink. Pink. Ini adalah A. A adalah 3. D also 3. Now, what is 297? 297 is Tn. 297 is Tn. N apa? Don't know. We going to find out lah what is the N. We are going to make us know what N is. By using the value of A and D. So Tn is what? Tn is A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D equals 297. Okay, A apa tadi? A is 3. Okay, D is apa? D is 3 juga. Lepas tu sambunglah. Continue. 3 plus 3n minus 3 equals 297. Okay, and then this 3 minus 3 gone. 3n equals 297. Okay, so 297 minus 3. Betul tak? Betul. Baik, betul. Tu tadi asyik salah aja. Aduhai. Ni betul. N is 99. So what does it mean? 297 is the sorry, tak naklah ni. Tulis balik kat sini. This one is the 99th term. Okay. So is ni 99 term. Okay. Find the sum of positive. Tapi this is not the question. Okay. The question asking for the sum all positive integers. Okay. Multiple of 3. So we are going to find the sum until 99. S 99 equal apa dia? 99 over 2 double the A is 3 plus N apa pula? 99 lah. 99 minus 1 multiply by the common difference. Common difference apa tadi? 3 tadi. And then close lah. Okay, close. Okay. This one you use lah calculator. Maybe maybe the audience lah calculate for me. Okay. I can wait, no problem. Okay. Okay. Ada Nisa Razak. Wah, baguslah. Pelajar saya tolong fokus. Terima kasih Encik Razak kerana memerintahkan pelajar-pelajar Encik Razak untuk menonton stream ni ya. Terima kasih. Garang betul. Okey. So, Anis Nabiha. Thank you Anis Nabiha. Anis Nabiha dapat 14850. Thank you so much my dear. Okey. Ya betul Hazriana. Betul. Azfar pun dapat, Sofia pun dapat, Syakira pun dapat, Azhani pun dapat, Tun pun dapat. Okey. Okay, good. So we get the answer for the first part. Now continue with the second part. Second part tadi ke atas, the sentence is, tak apa saya tulis dekat sini not, tak tulis penuh lah. Sum of terms not, tulis besar. Not divisible, multiple. Okay. Not multiple of 3. Even though soalan ni letak not saja, it's not simply tolak buat baru untung cannot. Ini kita kena faham konsep. Now, so let's go back into the number line, the one that we get just now. Okay. So from this number line we get 0, don't want lah. We take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ... sampai tadi 300 tak boleh. So 299, 298, 297, 296. Okay, now from the part A, we are looking for the sum, the multiple of 3, which is 3, 6, 9. Ni tadi mana tadi? 297. This one. In the first part, in the part A, we are looking for the sum of the pink circle that I've circled in front of you. This part, however, we are looking for the one is not. So how we're going to do that? Remember the first question ke second question? I forgot. Tadi yang the one that I kata tolak tak nak tu. We use that concept. The concept is we take all. Sorry okay, I write here. Take all, okay, minus tak nak. Minus tak nak. Senang saja. Okay, now how to take all? How to take all? Easy. What is all? What does it mean by all? All means the number from 1 until 299. So the sequence is 1, 2, 3, until 299. Now from here, what is the A? The A is 1. Okay. What is the common difference? 2 minus 1 is 1, or 3 minus 2 is 1 as well. Okay. Now, how we are going to get the sum? Okay, so what is 299? 299 is the L or Tn equals 299. But the N we don't know lah. We have to find lah. We have to find. Okay, because why? Because we are going to find the sum. So from here, from this information, okay, from this information, we are going to find the N first. So Tn is A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D equals 299. Okay, what is A? A just now we got 1. D also 1. Okay, so 1 plus N minus 1 equals 299. So N is 299. Okay, so we are going to find the sum of the first 299 terms. Banyak tu, 200 tu. Banyak. So we find the sum right now. 299 equal, macam biasalah, the N 299 divide by 2 multiply the double of the first term. The first term dia apa? Tadi atas ni 1 1 plus N minus 1. N is what? 299 minus 1 multiply by common difference. Common difference somewhere over here, 1 juga. And then close them. Kiralah dengan aman dan damai. Okay. 299 also. Bagus. Okay. Bagus Azhani. Bagus. Okay. Now maybe you all can help me find this one. Calculate. Tekanlah kalkulator kamu tu. Kalkulator kesayangan. Okay. And then maybe you can comment the figure, ya. $44850. Thank you sayang. 44850. Okay. Thank you Anissa, Mirol, thank you. Okay. This is all final answer jangan tiba wah happy for flat. Belum lagi. Relax dulu. On the way not for flat. Not yet. Okay. Now why? Because the yellow, everything yellow ni adalah all. Kan tadi saya kata take all. Ni baru take all. Baru take all. 299. Yang tolak tak nak ni belum lagi. Okay. Tak nak ni adalah apa? Okay. Tak nak ni adalah the one in pink. The one in pink. The one in pink which is 3. I write over here lah. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 297. 297. Betul. 297. 297. This one. The sum of this one. But the sum of this one we got already over here. Dah dapat dah kat sini. Okay. So we tolak. Okay. So sum 99. So padamlah, tak nampak kan. Okay. Equals berapa tadi? 44850 minus 14850. Okay. So it's 30,000. Okay. Itu sahaja. Okay. 44850. Okay, good. So this is dah kan? Not multiple. Okay, settled. Okay, let's move on to the sixth one. Okay, we move on to the sixth one. Suppose an arithmetic sequence are 4m plus 7. Okay, 20n minus. Okay, dah boleh for flat. Betul Mira, boleh dah insyaAllah. Okay, usaha, doa sikit, insyaAllah boleh. Okay, 4m plus 7, 20n minus 8m, 11n. N, comma, dot, dot, dot lah. Okay, calculate the value of m and n if T3 is 33. Okay. First thing first, we rewrite this one properly. This one rapat sangat. Okay, so kita tulis kat sini lah. 4m plus 7, besar-besar saya tulis. 20n minus 8m. Yep.
Okay, Ainan, mungkin boleh besarkan zoom in sikit dia punya slide sebab tulisan dah mula kabur.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for the feedback. Kalau macam, okay. Sudah. Boleh. Boleh adjust. Okay, comma 11n lah. Comma, dot. Dot biar lah sini tapi kena tulis. Okay, now this is the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so what we are supposed to do, we have to calculate the value of m and n. M and n. M and n ini is not a and d. This is not the first term. N is not a common difference. It's just the variable unknown yang ada di dalam term tu, the one that we don't know. So if we have been given information over here, I use different color lah. Green. Okay, T3 is 33. Okay, so this is T1, this is T2, and this is T3. T3 tadi kan dah bagi the green one over there. It's 33. So we can get the value of n right away. Okay, because this is equal to each other. So 11n equals 33. N is 3. N is 3, settle. Okay, now how to get the value of m? Okay, now since we know this is the question told us, this one is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence have a common difference. Common difference is the second term minus the first term. Common difference is different color. Okay, common difference is T2 minus T1. Okay, so we can find 20n minus 8m minus 4m plus 7. Okay, so we can simplify it. So 20n minus 8m minus 4m minus 7. Okay, so m ni we group them together. 20n minus 12m plus pula minus, sorry. Correct. Okay, now we get n3 over here, right? Okay, so gantilah n is 3. 3 over here ganti. Okay, so 20 minus 12m minus 7. But this is the first common difference. Okay, the first common difference. This is the first common difference, D1. What is the second common difference? This one. This is D2. So we are going to write down here. So D2 is tadi dah dapat 33, right? 33 minus 20 and minus 8m. Okay. So proceed lah. Minus 20n plus 8m. Ini n tadi dah dapat nilai. N is 3, right? Ganti right away. Okay. So this one 33 minus 60 plus 8m. This one 60 minus 12m minus 7. Okay. Lah, boleh aja ni lagi. Alah, tak apalah. Okay. So this one is the first common difference. This one is the second common difference. Okay. So D1 must be equal to D2 because dah cakap arithmetic sequence. So 60 minus 12m minus 7 equals 33 minus 60 plus 8m. Okay, and then we group the m's together. So minus 12m minus 8m, and then we group the numbers together. 33, 60. 33, 61 mainan. Okay, 27. So minus 27. Okay, this one 53 minus 53. Okay, minus 53. So this is minus 20m. This is minus 80. Okay, so m is 4. So we get already the value of m and n over here. Okay. Now, my mouse. Okay, now I'm going to copy the value over here. Okay, and then we are going to replace the values. Tak payah lu. Sorry. Tak payah. Payah tadi. Tak apalah, ganti je lah. Boleh lah. Can. Paste over here. Okay, and then kita substitute to see the sequence clearer lah. Okay, now m is 4. Tak apa, padam ni dulu. Okay, now m is 4. So we ganti with 4 over here. M is 4. N is apa tadi? 2, right? 2, okay. This one also 2. 3. Salah, sorry. 3. Itulah rasa semacam salah ni. Okay. La ilaha illallah. Terpadam. Sorry. Okay, so this one, so we get the 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 minus this one is 28, and this one is 33, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is the sequence. So let's look m and n. Hence, find the sum of the first 17 terms. Okay, so we want to find the sum of the first 17 terms. Okay, so 17 over 2 ke dah dapat dah? Tadi rasa macam dah nampak nombornya ni. M4 31 over 2 dia, bukan? Tak dapat lagi. Okay, sum of the first 17. So 17 over 2 double the first term. What is the first term? This one, 23. Okay, plus berapa? 17 minus 1. It's going to be 16 pula. It's going to be berapa tu? 16 lah, betul lah. And then common difference. Common difference, kita tolak ni. 28 minus 23, it is 5. 5. Okay, so this one, kira lah. 5, 1 to 6, 17, 5 by 2. Betul tak? N is 3, sir. Yes. Betul? Okay. So the sum of the first 17 terms is 1071, ya. Bagus. Sofia, Zahani pun dapat. Ainul Munira, Asfa. Banyak kali Asfa dapat, selangkah ke fourth flat, ya, insyaAllah. Okay. So rasa dah habis dah soalan tu tak? Ada lagi tak yang belum dijawab? Mari kita lihat. Sum tak ada. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. Oh, ada new comment. Let's see. Okay, good. 7,071, Okay, very good everyone. Betul Mila. Mila Aina siap letak tanda seru. Tanda seru pula, letak tanda soal. 1071 ke? Letak 2 kali, 3 kali. Tak apa, betul lah tu. Kamu tekan kalkulator, betul insyaAllah. Ya. Okay. The next one is consider numbers from 300 to 500 that is divisible by 7. Okay. Now, previously The word that we found is multiple of 3. Betul? Soalan berapa tadi? Multiple of 3. Yang ini adalah divisible by 7. Divisible or more or less the same thing as multiple. Yeah? If a number is divisible by the number, then it's a multiple of the number. So, this one kita keluarkan jugalah. We list all the numbers. Tapi the first one tadi, the number start positive integer. It means starts from 0. This one starts from 300. 300 to 500. Okay, now. So 300 to 500, 300 divisible tak by 7? Tekanlah kalkulator. 300 bahagi 7. Dapat pecahan. If you get the pecahan like ni, nampak? If you get something like this, you see the fraction over there. Okay, then it's not divisible lah. Maksudnya bahagi tu bahagi yang cantik. So 300 over 7 it's not. Okay, so kita increase the number. 301. Dapat. Kita dapat 43. So 301 is divisible. Boleh dibahagi dengan 7. Ya. Okay. What is the number next to it? Okay. Jangan risau, jangan gundah gelana. You just add 7 to the number, which is 308. Kamu tambah saja 7. Because we know if it's divisible by the number is divisible by 7, you add more 7 to the number also divisible by 7. Tak percaya? Tekan kalkulator. Ni saya tekan kalkulator depan saya ni, saya tekan 308 divide by berapa tadi? 7. Saya dapat 44. Okay. So we follow lah the pattern by put this dot lah, tak payah tulis semua, and then comma, and then we get the last number lah, macam biasa tadi. Tadi kita dapat 297, right? This one kita find the number less than 500, which is divisible by 7. Berapa? 499 macam tak. 499 macam tak. 498 macam tak. Macam tak juga. 497. 7. Boleh. 497 boleh. Okay. Interesting. 497 is divisible by 7 and 3. So 497. Ni nombor tadi pun 497 juga kan? 497 is also divisible by 3. Tak, salah nombor. Okay, tak apa. So we get the number over here. Okay, now the first part of the question, are the numbers an arithmetic sequence? This one very different from the previous one, because you see over here, consider the number of that is divisible by 7. We are listing the numbers only. After we list, we know this is a sequence. Kita tahulah sequence. Sebab apa? Nombor tu beratur, ada comma. Okay, fine. But we don't know this number is arithmetic or geometric. So how to know? We find the common difference. We have to find common difference. How to find common difference? Tak boleh lah kalau macam ni. Ni kena padam. Kena cari lagi satu. Add lagi satu. Add 7, 308, 7, 315. Okay, then dot lagi. Okay, sorry. Patut ada 3 nombor. Okay. Now, so for the first part, we are going to find the first difference. First difference is this one. Okay, D1 equals 308 minus 301. Tak payah congak, kau tulis je 7. Dah tahu dah daripada atas tadi, dilarang berfikir. Okay, this one we are calculating for the second common difference. 315 minus 308. Writing these numbers are all formality. Kita tahu dia 7 already. Okay, tapi we have to show. We have to. So this working is crucial. Kamu tak buat, kamu terus je tulis aritmetik, tak dapat markah. Okay. Now, so what we can conclude, the first common difference is the same with the second common difference. Therefore, since D1 equals D2 equals 7 is a constant, therefore it is an arithmetic sequence. Sequence satu. Pandailah kau tulis. Betul lah tu. Arithmetic sequence. Okay. So we done with the first part. Okay, now let's go to the second part. Okay, second part is asking about determine whether 450 belongs in the sequence. What does it mean by belongs in the sequence? Belongs in the sequence, it means that we can locate that 450 is the nth term in the sequence. Maybe 10th term, 20th term, 15th term, 30th term. Kita tak tahu. We have to find out what is the n. So simply put, the question asking for Tn 450. Whether letak ni kita tak tahu nak cari betul ke tidak ni. Adakah dia locate somewhere in the sequence. So from here we need the A and the common difference. The A is 301, the A is 301, and the D is 7. Okay, so just use the formula. Okay, so A plus N minus 1 bracket D equals 450. Okay, so the A is over here 301 and D over here is 7 over here. Okay, now this one expand lah. Okay, 300 boleh je bawa sini terus lah. We group the numbers together. 450 minus 301. Okay, and then this one we expand 7 multiply by N, 7 and 7 multiplied by 1, minus 1, sorry, minus 7. Okay, and then this one, 450 minus 310. 149. Okay, 7n minus 7. Okay, and then scroll further, sorry. Okay, and then 7n equals, tambahlah, plus 7. 156, and then n is divide lah by 7. Okay, betul. Okay, now we divide, we get 22.285. Tak payahlah banyak no, 29 mudah lah. Okay. Okay, good. Good. Ada yang pakai kalkulator silver mahal gini ni, kamu dapat this figure lah. Okay, you get 156 over 7. Betul. Okay, now what does it mean by this number? What does it mean by this number? Can we locate nombor tadi berapa? 450 ni. 450 ni adalah term yang ke berapa? Boleh ke? Can or cannot? Please respond in the comment. I want to see. Alhamdulillah. I'm sorry. Not belong. Bagus. Azahani. Not belong in the sequence. Because why? Because as we agreed before this, n is the number of sequence. The number, bilangan. Number of sequence, sorry. The number of term. Okay. Bilangan sebutan. Okay. So when we say bilangan, when we say the number of, it must be countable. Boleh kira. Boleh kira dengan jari. 22.2 cannot you cannot count with your finger, cannot. If you can, something wrong with your finger. Okay. So what we can, how to conclude? Since n is not n lah, we take the number lah. 22.29 is not positive integer. Therefore, 450 does not belong. Belong where? Belong in the sequence. Senilah, maaf tak boleh nak scroll. Belong in the sequence. Very good. Cannot. Ramai cakap cannot. No. Boleh lah. Okay. Tapi I made this conclusion for you to understand it better. Okay. Now this is the second part. Ada lagi third part. Find the sum of the greater than 450. Okay. Now we know. Okay, so we have the number kan. Tadi berapa start with the 0. What is 0? Masuk hati aku je. Betul lah. Betul lah. We start with this one. Okay, we start with this one. 30 berapa? 308. And so on. Lepas tu kita ada 297, right? 297, right? 297. 497, ya Allah. I'm so sorry. 497. 497. Okay, now. So this is T1, this is T2, and this is T berapa 497. Kita cari tak tadi? We are not looking. We are not looking pun, tak apa. This one we do later. This one N yang kita tak tahu. Ni tak apa. So we have to find lah. Tak apa. Now, just now we try to locate 450 inside this sequence, right? And then we get 450 is T22 point berapa tadi? 29. Sebab apa saya letak dekat sini? Sebab it doesn't belong here. Saja je nak letak. Okay. Now, the question asks the sum of. Tengok balik. Sorry I keep scroll up and down. I'm very sorry because I need to make it bigger. To make it bigger for you to see clearer. Tapi my working space is rather limited now. Okay. Find the sum of the terms. Greater. Saya bulatkan ambil hijau. Hijau. Greater than 450. Dia nak apa? Sum. Okay, kita tengok mana greater 450 tu. Dekat mana? Greater than 450 where? Right hand side over here. Okay, tapi tak masuk 5 tu. Saya buat macam ni. Ni. Ini yang kita nak. Sum of greater than 450. Okay, sum greater than 450. Okay, good. Okay, now, so in the sequence, so this is what we want. Okay, but the problem is we have everything over here. We can use the concept, same concept tadi. Apa dia yang tadi saya cerita tadi? All, take all, minus apa? Minus tak nak. Siapa tak nak? Tak nak is this one. Is this one. Okay. Now you see this is the tak nak one, but we don't know the number of Tn over here. Tn this over here we don't know, so we have to come up with the number. This one also we have to come up with the number. Berapa ni? We have to come up with the number. Okay, now so we know the Tn, the apa ni, pink the pink Tn left hand side of 450 is the number that is divisible by berapa tadi? By 7 kan? Okay, now anyone is in the audience can tell me what is this number? This one. Tolong cari nombor ni untuk saya. Alah, aku nak warna pink. Mana pink? Ni saya nak ni dengan saya nak ni. Anyone? Tolong cari. Macam mana nak cari? Senang aja. 450 we know cannot. So we try number smaller. 449. Divide by 7. Dapat tak? Tak dapat. Okay, now we keep increasing. Okay? Dapat? Okay. So this one ada yang komen tadi Syamirah. Syamirah kata kat sini. Saya tanya lain, Syamirah dapat lain. Okey, Syamirah dia dapat yang ini. Dia dapat yang ini 29. Dia dapat T29. Okey, now we want to know what is the number of the green one. Berapa? Siapa tu? Nurul Syuhada. Bagus. Nurul Syuhada dapat the pink one. The pink one is 448. And the green one is berapa? Lagi satu dah. Tadi jumpa dah nombor ni. 455. 455. Now sama macam yang putih ni tadi Syamirah jumpa tadi. This one we have to calculate for this one. Kena kira lah this one. Tn sama dengan 448 and the green one as well. Tn equals 455. Okay. So this one we just apply the same apa tadi? The same formula. The same formula. Okay, macam biasa. This one is A plus N minus 1. This one 7. A berapa tadi? A 301. 301, 448. Okay? Okay, so this one also the same thing. I got you 301 plus N minus 1 multiply by 7 equals 455. So, you calculate and you get what? This one pun, tolong one of you tolong calculate and then find berapa? The pink one or the green one? Pink ke purple ni? Pink ke purple? Confused lah. Okay. N22. Okay, N22 tu pink ke hijau ni? No, tiba-tiba no. Okay. Dua-dua is the pink one. Ya. Yeah? Okay, bagus. Laila pun jumpa. Okay, bagus. 448, 22. Okay, bagus. Betul lah tu. Okay, and then the green one is 23 lah. Dah memang sebelah dia kan. Tak payah kira pun tak apa sebenarnya. Okay. Okay, good. Bagus Laila. Oh, pink Laila. I thought purple. Okay, tak apa. So, from there, we know this one is 20. Sorry. This one is 23. The pink one is 22. So, the tak nak is apa dia? The tak nak is S22. Yang all apa? All semua iaitu 29. Okay, 29. So S29 minus S22 berapa? Itu sahaja konsepnya. You apply the correct formula and then you should get the answer. Ya. Okay. Okay, kenapa kita tak tolak dengan S23? Kenapa kita tak tolak dengan S23? Sebab S23 is the one that we want. Yang kita nak. S22 yang kita tak nak. Okay, so maybe some of you can calculate, yeah. S29 minus S22. I write over here. S29 minus S22. Okay. Equals berapa? S29. Okay, dah dapat dah. Thank you. 11571. Yang lain tak payahlah kira yang itu. Kamu kira yang lagi satu. S22. Berapa? Three, 332. Okay, good. 3332. Okay, and then are you sure? This one too small, isn't it? Sure. Because 22 is 22 over 2, 301. Betul? 301 plus 301. Sorry. 2 multiply 201 plus N 21 lah. 21 D is 7. Okay. Siapa tadi dapat nilai tadi? Dia 8,000 something. 8,000 something. Yes, 8,000 something. 8239. 8239. So this one lah. 8239. Yang dapat 9856 tu mungkin you make careless mistake somewhere. So please ni. Oh, kamu dapat terus nombor tolak tu ke? Alah, cepatnya kamu kira. Okay, so we get 3,332. Ya? Okay. So yeah, bagus. Bagus Shu Arifin. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now okay, so we go to the Question number 8. Alamak, ini tak boleh ni. Saya kena zoom out ni terpaksa. Or maybe I just cram them like this. And then zoom scan. Okay. Okay, that's better. Okay, now number 8 is the first of an arithmetic series is A and the common difference is D. Macam biasalah. Okay. The sum of the first 4 terms. Ni keluarkan terus. Jangan tunggu-tunggu. The sum of the first 4 terms is 36. Okay. Sum of the first 4 terms is 36. Okay. And then next, the product. Ini first time jumpa ni. Product maksudnya apa? Product maksudnya hasil darab. Mesti something multiply something. Of the first 2 terms. It means that T1 multiply T2 equals 21. Okay. So, determine the value of A and D. Biasalah tu. Okay. So, S4 is 4 over 2. 2A plus 3D. D ni bukan A. 3D. Okay. 36. Okay, and then simplify 2A plus 3D. 36. Okay, and then 4A plus 6D equals 36. Okay, done already. Dah tak boleh nak buat apa dah. Boleh simplify. 4 tak boleh. 2. Okay, so divide everything by 2 So, 2A plus 3D equals 18 over here. Okay, now, let's move on to the green one over here. T1 is A. Okay, T1 is A. Multiply. T2. T2 is what? T2 is A plus D only. 21. Dah dapat kat situ. Ya. Now, so for this one, we are going to substitute a variable into another. This is simultaneous. So what we are going to do is, this one, the yellow one over here, we get D right over here. Okay, so 3D equals 18 minus 2A. Lepas tu, D equals 18 minus 2A over 3. 2A saya dah macam 9. Okay. Sorry. Like that. Okay. Lah, tak nampak. Okay, so we get the D over here. Okay. Put lah over there. Okay. So it's A multiply kurungan A plus apa? D. D is 18 minus 2A over 3. Ni A bukan 9 sekarang nanti saya silap juga. Okay. 21. Okay, so we simplify this one first. So 3A plus 18 minus 2A over 3. Okay. Okay. And then A di outside and then 21. Okay, now we can get rid of the 3. Multiply everything. Right hand side, left hand side, multiply by 3. Okay, so we get 63. And then A multiply je lah inside. So 3A squared. Alah, boleh je ni selesaikan. 3A minus 2A is A. A plus 18. Okay, this one we can expand. So A squared plus 18A minus 63 equals 0. This one pakai je EQN kamu. Okay, you get A multiply A. Okay, A multiply A, you get A minus 3. A minus 3, A plus 21. Okay, so A is 3, A is 21 minus 21. Okay, now in this case, we have two values of A. Okay, A can be any value. Can be 0, can be positive, can be negative. In fact, can be pecahan also. Okay, so we have two arithmetic sequence in our problem. So we have to consider both of them. Okay, jangan kamu tengok, ni negatif. Tadi kita jumpa negatif, cikgu kata abaikan. No. That one is different. Okay, that one is the value of negative yang berlainan. This is the value of A. A can be any value. So we have to consider when A is 3, what is the common difference? When A is minus 21, what is the common difference? Okay, so we are going to do that thing. So when A is 3, when A is minus 21. Okay, so what is the common difference? Over here 18 tolak 2A 3. Okay. 18 2A over 3. Oh, panjangkan. Ni tak panjangkan ni silap ni sekarang. Okay. A is what? A is 3. Okay. And then use your calculator, you should get berapa ni? 4. Okay. This one we do the same thing. Minus 2 minus 21 over 3. Okay. This one you get 20. Okay. Okay. This one we get 20. Now, so we get the first term and the common difference for each arithmetic sequence. Okay. Now, what is the second part? Common difference. Siapa tanya tadi? Common sama, difference perbezaan. Common different. Tapi berbeza ke cikgu? Okay. Now, hence find the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic series. So this one dia nak apa? Dia nak sum of the first 10. So S10 lah. Okay. For each one of them. Jangan cari satu saja. Because this one we get 2 kan? Okay. So when A is 3, we get the S10. So 10 over 2. 2A. A kita 3 plus 9. Saya tolak terus. 9. D is 4. Kira ni berapa? Tolong someone. Okay. When A is minus 21, S10 kita adalah 10 over 2. Double the first term minus 21 plus 9, 20. Allahuakbar, tak muat. Tepikan sikit, tak apa. Tepikan sikit. Alamak. Janganlah, tak nampak. Alamak. Okay. Tutup sini. Okay, now what are the numbers? Ping 22. Okay. Okay. So maybe the audience can help me with this one. Last one, last copy ni habis dah. Habis dah ni, dah lah tu. Okay, 210. 210. So this one is 210, 210, and this one is 690. Yeah. Okay, so this is the sum. Yeah. So I think that's all for your time and attention. Yeah. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day. And a very good night.
Soalan? Okay, Alhamdulillah, we are finally coming to an end. For more info regarding our open lecture for matriculation level, please join our Telegram group, Matric. Okay, as the link below. Okay, for next week, you will be with me learning about geometric series. Okay, thank you, Sainan. Despite a little bit of technical problem, the explanation is tremendously clear. I'm sure all of you agree with that, right? Very clear. The handwriting was colorful, readable. Okay, thank you all other matriculation math lecturer as well for promoting our session to your students. Okay, thank you for all students too for being so cooperative, helping Sir Ainan to calculate the values for the common difference, for A, for sum of n term. I really hope that you learned a lot within this 1.5 hour. Okay, until now, that's it for tonight. Have a good rest. Have a good weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Bye.